Hello, this is Madame Coachelo. This is a video for the parents of the home learners in Divisions 22 and 23, Ms. Orzen and Ms. Davis's class. So I'll be showing you how you can log into the school portal so that you can access assignments for your child, you can see websites, and you can upload your child's work to their e-portfolio so that it can be assessed and viewed by the teachers. So first of all, you'll need to go to the portal website. If you don't already have it bookmarked or put in, it is just portal.sd38.bc.ca. Then next you need to log in with your child's user ID, which was sent to you by the school district in an email. If you don't have it, you can email me and I will send it to you individually if you can't find it. I will be sending an email to you soon. And so it will be your child's user ID will be the first initials of their name and then a 6-digit number that has been assigned to them. And then their password is their birthday in month, day, year format. So if your child's birthday was July 19th, 2014, their password would be 07 for July, then followed by 19, followed by 2014 with no spaces, no dashes, no slashes. So you just put in the birthday. And if their birthday doesn't work in that order, you could try reordering some and doing it day, month, year because some were inputted wrong. Then you can decide whether or not you're going to save the password, which is a good idea. But I won't do that because it's not my child's portfolio. So here you can access your child's e-portfolio and you can access our home learning class, which is here, La Classe de Madame Coachelo, and your in-school teacher's website will be here soon. So Ms. Orzen or Ms. Davis's website will be up here very soon as well. So let's take a look at our class website. This one just has a short sort of introduction about who I am here at the beginning. There's various links for students and parents here. Some of them aren't quite all there yet, but they will be shortly. So if your child is practicing reading at home, there's some websites, 2 French ones and an English one. You would just click on the link. I will be sending any necessary passwords home, and your child can pick books to read at home. Likewise, there's resources for math, there's learning games that they can play, and things that we sent home for parents to read. The year preview, how to behave on Zoom for children, if parents can explain to children how to behave, and more information on the portal, how to upload things to the portal using an iPad or a computer. So there's also handouts and materials. I'll be putting anything that needs to be printed for your child for the first week in this folder here, and you can download it. I don't have all the materials there yet. Okay, and next I'd like to show you your child's portfolio. So if you're on the you can click Portfolio, and you will see your child's portfolio. If you would like to add a picture of your child, you can do that by clicking the pencil here and then finding a picture and uploading it. You can also have your child write a little something about themselves just click and write, and make sure to click the check mark afterwards so that what they write is saved. Every week I'll have a post here. Right now it's sort of just an empty post with a title, but it's where you will upload your child's completed work for that week to be viewed by the teachers. So an easy way to upload the work is by going to the lightning pencil. So if you take a picture of what your child has done, so a photograph of whatever work they've done, or you can just go here and upload the work. So I'll just pretend to upload something. There's something here on my desktop. We'll pretend that's a completed assignment that I photographed. And it's a little bit slow, but that's all you need to do. And you can also upload video or audio files. So that's an easy way to upload things. And then when you are done, click on that again. And to view it, open it up, and there is the work. Okay? So you can just upload all the items one underneath each other on this page. Okay? And that's it. You can sign out by going to your child's name and sign out. And let me know if you have any more questions about how to use the portal or the ePortfolios. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.